morning, students. Today we will revise matter in our surroundings. We'll begin with the basic mind map. As you can see that all the important topics that needs to be covered in this lesson has been shown. Beginning with what is matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now we know that everything in this universe is made up of a material called matter. Now what are the states of matter? There are 5 states of matter: solids, liquids, gases, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Now what determines the state? Energy determines the state. Now you can see in the picture that with variation in temperature, state of matter also keeps on changing. Solid, liquid, gas, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Now talking about the basic properties of matter, the particles of matter are very tiny. Particles of matter are continuously moving. The particles of matter have space between them. And finally, particles of matter attract each other. Now these properties were shown through different activities. Now let's study about the basic characteristics of the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Now first of all we will see the particle arrangement. Now the first one was solid, then liquid, and this is gas. Now let us study about the property shown by solid. Now let me pause for a while. Solids have definite shape and fixed volume. The space is minimum, force of attraction is maximum. Then liquids have no definite shape, but a fixed volume. Space is intermediate, force is also intermediate. Finally, gaseous state, they have no definite shape, no fixed volume. Space is maximum, force of attraction between the particles is minimum. Now what is responsible for change in state of matter from one state to another? You can see the names of the processes has been shown in the picture, how one state of matter changes into the other. So let us study about all these different processes in a bit more detail, that is interconversion of matter. So when solid is heated, it changes into liquid. When a liquid is heated, it changes into gas. When a gas is cooled, it changes into liquid. And when a liquid is cooled, it changes into solid. Sometimes when a solid is heated, it directly changes into gas. All these processes you have studied in this lesson, isn't it? So you can see all these processes are coming on the screen. Lastly, in this lesson, we had studied about evaporation and compared it with the process of boiling. Now, evaporation. What is evaporation? It is the change of liquid into vapor state. Now, there is a basic difference between the processes of evaporation and boiling. That boiling occurs at a fixed temperature, that is the boiling point, while evaporation occurs at any temperature. Boiling is a quick process, but evaporation is a slow process. Boiling takes place throughout the liquid, while evaporation takes place only at the liquid surface. That's why boiling is called a bulk phenomenon, while evaporation is a surface phenomenon. While boiling, bubbles are formed inside liquid, but in evaporation no bubbles are formed. Temperature remains constant during boiling, but temperature may change during evaporation. Thermal energy is supplied by an energy source during boiling, while thermal energy is supplied by the surroundings during evaporation. Now we know that evaporation always brings about a cooling effect, because whenever evaporation takes place, a certain amount of heat is taken away from the surface, that is called the latent heat, so that results in cooling. So this is the basic difference between boiling and evaporation. So these were the topics that we had studied in the chapter matter in our surroundings. Okay, thank you.